Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to block someone on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to block someone on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp app on your phone, and after that guys, you'll be required to tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen on the interface, and you will be over here on this interface where you will be able to choose a person whom you want to block. For example, let's go with this friend of mine, and after landing over here on the chat box section of their account, you can see their name at the top of the screen. Tap on the name, and over here again scroll down until you can see there is the block option available for us. Tap on that block, and if it's a business you can do whatever you like. But guys, we'll be going to another account, and let's choose an account over here guys again. And after that guys, after choosing their account on the chat box section at the top of the screen, you can see their name. Tap on their name. After that, this kind of interface will appear. If you scroll down, you can see there is the block button available for us just above the report at the bottom of the screen. Tap on block, again tap on block, and they will be blocked on WhatsApp. And there guys, this is how to block someone on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.